जय श्री राधे एक्सरसाइज 16 डिक्टेशन 80 वर्ड्स a minute start. We read in the newspaper that a plane has reached the wonderful rate of over 600 miles an hour, but what is a rate like this when thought of side by side with the rate at which light moves? Full stop. As for movement to the north or to the south, to the east or to the west, we know that our movement can be judged only in relation to some other object which is at rest or which can be said to be moving at a given rate away from or towards us. Full stop. The earth itself is turning at a great rate and we do not feel this movement of itself. Full stop. We can judge the movement of the earth only in relation to some other object which is not moving with it. Full stop. We have probably all had the experience of not being able to tell which way a train is moving at night when we cannot see anything out of the windows. Full stop. We cannot tell which way we are moving or at what rate we are moving except in relation to another object which is not moving with us. Full stop. Para. And so we find that many of the common expressions of daily life have no meaning in themselves and become real for us only when considered in relation to some other fact or object. Full stop.